previous 49-inch monitor broke, and the replacement was going to take up to 2 months to arrive. After 2 weeks struggling with a small 27-inch screen, I knew I needed a better solution. While browsing online, I found this Acer model, and the budget price, cheaper than the Xiaomi Ultrawide, made it an easy choice for me. Getting back to an Ultrawide made editing and multitasking a lot easier right away. I tried comparing 2 documents side by side, and for now, it's definitely enough for what I need. When it comes to gaming, I'm not someone who needs ultra-high graphics or top-end specs, and for me this monitor works just fine. I've included some gameplay footage from a third-person shooter and a real-time strategy game, and the ultra-wide display really makes the experience feel more immersive and enjoyable. Honestly, it's more than good enough for how I play. If you haven't tried an ultra-wide before, this is a great place to start, especially at this price. Right now it's the perfect backup for me until that new 49-inch finally arrives.